Hello, ladies and gentlemen, and game designers. We're gonna do the discussion on getting to know Unity. It's lesson one called Hello World. So this thing is really simple. You could finish it in a day, 4 days max. Make sure you do the notes. So whenever you see anything in red, take notes. We're gonna have a discussion, hopefully, if we have time. Um, so this is a super simple project. It's a little bit on the boring side, but I like it because the Unity interface is a little bit overwhelming, and it basically just kind of eases you into doing stuff from scratch on your own. So it's good. There's going to be a test on this material, so make sure you learn and take notes. All right, so let's take a look and see what this thing is going to look like. It's going to look like um, so here's my website. Make sure you do this discussion. Make sure you put the due dates in the calendar. Um, take the notes. Complete the project, and then we're going to have a pre-practice and a real test. Whoever finishes the project first gets some extra bonus points, so try to do that. All right, let's take a look at what the project's going to look like. Okay, so my window, I had to change my window to get it to do this. So I went to Window, and I went to Layout, and I went to Default. And so you go to Console, and as soon as you hit Run, it just types the text "Hello World." So not super exciting, but that's the idea. But the idea again is to get used to this pretty complicated user interface. All right, that's it. Answer the questions on the discussion.